Hello everybody, I'm Frugal. Welcome to day 64 of this Japanese linguistic quest. This trimester will be the final 21 days of phase 1, which is to build up a foundation of the Japanese language. Let's make it count. Okay, so let's
発声
say with depart and life become occurrence. Okay. Yeah.
交差点で事故が発生した
Okay. The intersection, right? With point, ten is point, and ko is mingle. And then the new kanji that we learned yesterday, that means different, right? So different road that mingle into a single point and it become an intersection. Okay, that makes sense, right? Very logical. So this one is a ship, right? This one is a ship, and then this one is a building or a construction, right? So it means different or distinct. So this construction have a distinct look because it meant to be a sanctuary for the ship, and then you can have the sanctuary, the sand from sanctuary as a pronunciation mnemonic. Ko sa tên đây, right? Yeah, that's it. Ko ji ko, okay.
採用
What? This one is employment. Okay, so this one is use, right? To use or utilize a business, and then this one is to pick. Yeah, to pick. Yeah, to pick. So like you use the hand, right? We have the hand, and this one here is the claw, right? And then this is a tree. So it's natural to think of it as like you use your hand and your claw to pick fruit. Yeah, to pick fruit. And since it's made the sound sign here, let's say that you pick fruit from the bonsai tree. Yeah, you pick fruit from the bonsai tree. Okay.
その会社は女性を多く採用している
Yeah. So no kaisawa, so CO, many. Yeah. So this company employ many women. Okay.
残る
This one is about leftover. Yeah, leftover. Yeah, leftover. So remain, right? So we have some. This one here is dead. Yeah, dead. And then we have the number 2, and then we have a spear. So like dead, 2, and spear. After a death match, only two spearmen remain. Yeah. So yeah, one of them is Johnny, the other is Sandy. Yeah. But I guess that pronunciation won't become relevant for a while. Okay.
料理がたくさん残りました
Really? A lot of cooking is left, right? Yeah, a lot of cooking is left.
段階
Then kind to like stage. Yeah, stage. Yeah, so this one is step, right? Step, grave, stair. And this one means floor. So together become stage. Make sense? Make sense to me?
この段階では決断するのはまだ早い
At this stage, then okay, so this one is new as well, right? This one is decision. With the first one mean to decide, and the second one here also mean decide or cut. Yeah. Okay, decide. So we have a rise on a sort of pedestal and an X, right? So and it make the pronunciation dance here. So let's say the dancing X-Men decided to completely cut white rice from his diet. Yeah, for performance related reason. Yeah, to cut white rice from his diet. And the dancing Iceman, right? So dance, and that is the pronunciation mnemonic to dance. Okay. Yeah.
報告
Oh. What? Oh, okay. Yeah. To report. To report. This one is information, right? Yeah. Or to report. Happy and seal, and again seal out approval. Yeah. So something like information. Yeah. And this one to inform. Yeah. This one is to inform. And so, like, since this is koku, right? So it kind of sounds like kok, you know. So yeah, that's what I come up with as pronunciation memory for this one. Like, please be informed that this puffs of cup tastes like dirt. Yeah. See, this is the earth, right? This is the earth, and this is a puff, right? So please be informed that these puffs of dirt, these puffs of cup taste like dirt. Yeah.
昨日の会議について報告があります
Yeah. So today meeting, a report about today meeting. Okay.
商品
This one is about goods. Yeah, goods and commodity. Yeah. So yeah, this one by itself is already good or commodity, right? And this one mean merchant or dealing. Yeah, merchant or dealing here. See. So, and it makes the sound show as well. So, dealing with a long standing, yeah, we have to stand, right? This one is stand. This one is an box, upside down box. This one is a pair of running leg. And this part here is another box, right? So, dealing with a long standing customer, the merchant is running around, opening all kind of boxes and showing them the content, show, and that is how you make the sound mnemonic. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
この商品はよく売れている
Sell well, right? Yoku. Sell often. Sell well. Okay. Okay.
都市
So city or something? Yeah, city. Okay. So this part is from Kyoto, right? To from Kyoto mean kind of a city or metropolis or something. Yeah. And then this one is market, right? So yeah, it makes sense that it becomes something like cities.
東京は日本一大きな都市です
Nihonichi number one in Japan. City. Okay. Largest, right? Largest. Okay. That's why it is largest.
病院
Hospital. Yeah. And the first one we already learned that it means tired, right? This one means tired, and this one means like a mansion. Yeah. So a mansion for the who is tired or experience sickness, and it becomes an hospital, which yeah, it makes sense. This one is a mansion or an institution. Yeah. So we have a place, right? A letter B for place, a roof, and origin, right? Roof and origin, and this one means to complete or to be perfect. Yeah. So like since okay, so since this one is in as well, right? In for the pronunciation, so it become like an institution is the perfect place to complete your information technology degree. Yeah, so that's why, yeah, that's a name that have a lot of in it, right? In it. Okay.
病院はどこですか
Where's hospital? Okay.
規模
This one is scale, right? Scale. Yeah, scale. Yeah, scale and scope. So the first one here with the husband and husband and C, right? Husband and C, and it becomes standard or measure. Yeah, so obviously you can think of like, how the husband will measure how he choose his spouse, right? But I kind of don't want to go there, so the limerick for this one is like the husband and the kid, have very high standard when it comes to seesaw puzzle. So that's why we have C, right? And the husband, and also the kid, which means this is the pronunciation mnemonic for that one. Kid. So that is for standard and measure, and this one here is model, or copy, model of the copy, the intimate, right? So we have a tree, grass, a sun, or a day, whatever, and big, right? So like the grass look up to the bonsai tree as a role model and want to be just as big and majestic one day. And bonsai, right? Bo in bonsai, and that is the sound mnemonic for this kanji.
この動物園は日本一の規模です。
動物園。Something about garden. Okay. 武道園. Okay, a zoo. Okay. So a garden for things, right? A garden. So thing and stuff, and then this one is to move, right? So for thing and stuff that move, right? So animated object, right? As opposed to inanimated object. Okay, a garden or animated like object, or animal. Okay. So actually there's no new kanji here, right? So this is all three kanji we learned already. Okay.
業者
Yose. Businessman? Businessman. Okay. So this one is pretty logical. This one is a person. This one person. This one business. Right? So business person become businessman. Very, very logical.
引っ越しを業者に頼んだ。
Hikoshi. To move, right?
引っ越しを業者に頼んだ。
To move and then to leave the business or to move to a business person or a broker. So I asked the company to handle my move. Okay. It's pretty trained about this one, right? To move, and we have this one is to pull. To pull, and this one means to run a cliff and a spear. This one means go beyond. This one is go beyond. Go beyond or surpass, right? Because like this is run, right? So this one so this one is to run, right? To run, and then we have here a cliff, and here's a spear, right? At least that's how I break down this kanji. The official dictionary didn't really recognize this as a cliff. They didn't recognize this as a cliff. Anyway, you run and you coolly go beyond the cliff by pole jumping using a spear. That's cool, right? Pole jumping over the cliff using a spear, like from one cliff to another using a spear to pole jump. And see, that is so cool, right? Cool. That is the sound mnemonic. Okay. And tanonda, alright? Tanonda to request, to ask. To request, to ask. So this one is a bundle. Bundle. and page. Bundle and page. So page or request. So bundle or request. And page. Yeah, so the numeric account design is like this. The management, right, receive a bundle of requests for new page turner at the employee launch. Yeah, and page turner is just like an interesting way to say like a good book. Yeah, page turner. Okay, that's a very nice word, right? Learned it yesterday as well. Yeah.
発声
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's move on. So why frugal? Yeah. So at first I was going to call myself cheap or dirt cheap. Yeah. Because being a turnip squeezer is such a huge part of my identity. Yeah. So it feels appropriate to do so. But I also want to have a name that gives a sense of gradual. Yeah. So to work on something small every day and building it up into something bigger. Yeah. So it kind of relevant to what we are trying to do. See? So gradual plus cheap equal frugal. Yeah. So maybe before, whenever you heard me say, "Hi everybody, I'm frugal," you just think, what's this guy all about? Right? But hopefully, after I share this, you would have, whenever I say, "Hello everybody, I'm frugal," it would invoke a feeling of gradual and consistency. Yeah, so maybe you are looking at the embodiment of discipline. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna stop here for today. Thank you very much for watching. As usual, I have a link in the description that led to a good write of today's material and kanji diagram. Yeah, if you have a mnemonic about any of the kanji, please donate it to check. Yeah, so see you tomorrow. Bye for now.
許しを請うなら教会に
どうしたんだ。
何かあったの？
いや別にふざけ合ってただけなあ頼むよこれがバレたら俺は全てを失う